Hi everyone, Andy K here from Team Tron here in the UK. I'd like to help explain the install and setup of this new Advance 7 herringbone, pinion and main gear set. So what we have here is something very different. A split main gear that under load will self-center and compress together. This set here I've run for 6 months now, totally trouble free, extremely smooth, very quiet. So here's a rundown of the installation and a few pointers to keep an eye out for. So here we have my machine with the motor mount installed. When looking at this main gear in rotation, we can see there can be a little bit of up and down movement as I turn that. This is actually totally normal. Note the small gaps between the top and bottom half of the gear. Very difficult to see. But this little line that goes through the centre here can wander up and down very slightly also. But again, very, very normal. If we just call these acceptable manufacturing variations. So moving on to the model, once I position the pinion against the main gear, I'll be aiming for no backlash, and I won't be forcing the pinion at all onto the gear, but I am looking for no backlash. If I show you that, push that onto there. Let me just nip this up very quickly. Okay, so what we're going to see now is that when I spin this, I've got no backlash. And you can also see that the end float, the up and down movement has gone. And that's one of the beauties of herringbone. We can see the equalising force from the angled teeth. They'll help centralise all the loads. We'll see no forces transferred vertically through the hub assembly. This is driven from our master pinion. It's the master because it's preset in height. It's a fixed position, and our main gear being the slave, as it can move and float to suit the fixed position of our master pinion. I hope this just takes away some of the doubts that you guys might have regarding any of the end float or the up and down or the mesh or anything. I'm sure you'll enjoy running this gear on your machines. So enjoy, and hopefully talk soon.